Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Jasmy video update today. And the only coin that is being pumped along with Bitcoin at the moment is Solana. A lot of coins are not matching the power of Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin dominance is actually getting even more and more stronger. So well, let's talk about Jasmy and see what Jasmy is exactly trying to do here. So we're going to take the trend line there and we're going to start to draw some support and resistance, because I do see a triangle in the formation right now. So you do have a little bit of this triangle coming in for Jasmy, and we're going to talk about the 4-hour time frame at the moment. And let's look at this. So you got the one touch, second touch of the support, one at the support here. So this was resistance here, resistance there, support here. So you're looking for that, end of the decision coming in, and if you pop out, you go back up, and if you pop down, you're looking for a technical target to go even lower. So what is it going to be? I don't know. They can push it up as well, because it's actually quite down, and there's a lot of fear as well. So let's do hope that if they push it back up, then we're talking about actually not even a move back up here. If they, first of all, if they push it down, then we might be looking at this technical target, which is 3837, if they decide to push it down, of course. And that, for that one, you're going to have to see a move down like this, a closing, and then a back test, and then boom, all the way down, because that's how just this pattern, triangle is going to be like. And the second thing is, if we pop to the upside, then pop, back test, and then boom, all the way up to this technical target up here. So that's going to be like what, a move up of nearly from there to there. We might be looking at 18% move to the upside. It's a possibility we get that pump if you break to the upside, of course, and an 18% dump if you go down. So that's it for this quick update on Jasmy. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.